Hi, I'm Cindy, and today I'm going to be showing you the accessories that I have found that come with the 1996 Barbie Folding Pretty House, item number 16961. The house comes with a table attached. This is the bench that goes with the table. This pretty neon pink, translucent pitcher with ice, glasses with straw, 2 tumbler glasses with straw, and ice cubes. I think this knife goes with it as well because it is the same color as the pitcher and glasses, and came with some of these that I found in an accessory lot. These cute plates with scalloped edges and a tulip embossed on the base of the plate. Dinner fork, serving fork, a ladle with ruffled edges. And this is my favorite part, these chrome, shiny silver accessories, a picture of cute little Kelly in little pink and yellow fashion, pan, and a serving dish, or maybe some kind of pot that you could put on the stove. These are the accessories that I've found so far that go with the house. I haven't been able to find a listing that shows all the accessories from this house. So if you know of any additional ones, or maybe I'm incorrect on some of these, please note it in the comments and we can all learn from that. And also just share any comments that you might have about this set. For me, this is one of the prettiest Barbie sets that I've ever come across. I love the pretty pinks, the ruffles, and the shiny silver. Thank you for coming to visit. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you next time.